Hi guys, I'm Elena and I am going to be showing you how to register for camp this summer. So let's get started. Alright, so after you create an account and log in, you're going to scroll down until you see the begin application. You're going to click begin and then scroll down. You're going to see all the pricing up front first, and then you will click continue. And then you will have to add a child that you're having come to camp. And then enter all their information. And then continue. And then once you get to the third page, you'll get to decide between day camp and all of our day camp options, specialty day camp, and then also overnight camp. This year we're adding a few extra sessions, so make sure you scroll through them all. You're gonna pick one. You're going to add it to your cart, and then it will also give you the option if you want to add a t-shirt or also a photo. And then at the bottom you'll see your cart summary. After you look at that, you can continue. Alright, so after you get to this point, you have to fill out quite a few forms. So first is the household form, and then the medical form, also the participation form, camper code of conduct, camper general information, and then if you added any add-ons like the camp t-shirt, you will also fill out a form to fill out your child's size. After that, you can take a look at your cart, and if you are interested in adding any weeks, you can go to the previous and add some more weeks on. Otherwise, you can continue to check out, and that's where you will put in all of your credit card information and pay for camp this summer. And if you have any troubles or any questions, please reach out to us. We are so happy to help, and we look forward to seeing you this summer.